Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of writing the same boilerplate code over and over? Do you wish you had an AI pair programmer to help you write code faster and smarter? Well, in this lesson, we're diving into Tabnine, an AI code completion tool that will change the way you code. In this part, we'll set up Tabnine in VS Code and see it in action with a Python project. By the end of this lesson, you'll be writing code with the speed and precision of a pro. Let's get started. Our first step is to install Tabnine. Now, while we're using VS Code, Tabnine supports a ton of other popular editors like JetBrains IDEs, Sublime Text, and more. The process is pretty much the same. Inside VS Code, head over to the Extensions view on the left sidebar. You can also use the shortcut Control-Shift-X. In the search bar, type in Tabnine. You'll see the official Tabnine extension. Click the Install button and wait a few moments for it to complete. Once installed, you'll see a small Tabnine icon in the bottom right of your status bar. This means it's ready to go. Let's test it out. Create a new Python file and name it Tabnine Demo. Tabnine works by analyzing your code and the context of your project to provide relevant suggestions. Let's start with a simple function to calculate the area of a rectangle. I'll start typing def calculate area. See that? Tabnine immediately suggests the parameters length, width, and then the colon. I'll just hit enter to accept the suggestion. Now, as I go to the next line and start to type return, Tabnine suggests the full line of code, return length times width. It understands the purpose of the function based on its name and provides the correct logic. This is basic, but incredibly useful. Now, let's try something more complex. Tabnine doesn't just complete lines, it can suggest entire functions and even docstrings based on the function signature. This is where it really shines and saves you a ton of time. Def find max value. I'll add the parameter numbers list. As I hit enter, Tabnine suggests an entire docstring for the function. It understands what the function should do based on its name. After the docstring, it even suggests the return statement, return max numbers list. I'll accept this. This is a perfect example of how an AI pair programmer can significantly boost your productivity. It understands the context and provides accurate, ready-to-use code. While Tabnine is a fantastic tool, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. A common trap is to blindly accept every suggestion. Remember, Tabnine is a tool to assist, not replace. Always review the code to ensure it meets your specific needs and logic. A great way to use Tabnine is to explore unfamiliar libraries. As you start typing, it will suggest functions and methods, giving you a quick way to discover what's available without constantly checking the documentation. The quiz, coding challenge, and all the code from this lesson are available in the description below. They are great ways to practice what you've learned, so be sure to check them out. To quickly recap, remember that Tabnine is a powerful AI code completion tool that increases speed and efficiency, but it's best used as a supplement to your own coding knowledge. In this lesson, we mastered AI code completion with Tabnine, but what about generating entire code blocks from scratch? In our next lesson, we'll explore ChatGPT for basic code generation, taking your AI-assisted coding skills to the next level. See you there. If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts and subscribe for more coding tutorials.